So, good evening again. This is the problem on integration where we have to integrate 1 plus x divided by x bracket in bracket 1 plus x ex whole squared dx. Now, just think here, if you differentiate 1 plus x ex, okay, what you will get? 1 differential coefficient of 1 is 0, then plus fix x and then differentiate ex. So it will remain ex plus. Now keep ex fixed and differentiate x. This will become 1. Now just take ex common. What will be the remaining thing? 1 plus x. Now just see the numerator here. Here 1 plus x is there. The missing part is ex. So how to proceed it? So our first step will be to multiply numerator and denominator by ex. So it will be ex 1 plus x dx divided by x ex, because we have multiplied here ex and so we have to divide it also. X ex plus 1 plus x ex whole squared. Now here we have already seen, put 1 plus x ex is equal to z. So now differentiate it. Already we have differentiated it. So we will get 1 plus x bracket ex dx is equal to dz. So now it will look very means ki in order. Put ex 1 plus x here dx as dz. So this will become dz divided by x ex. How much it will be? Here just see. 1 plus x ex is equal to z. So x ex will be z minus 1. So write here x ex as z minus 1. And then see this 1 plus x ex whole squared. We have already put 1 plus x ex as t z. So this will become z square. So this is now our very simple form, and we can easily do it by using partial fraction. Now let us do it. So suppose this 1 by z minus 1 into 1 by z squared is equal to a by z minus 1 plus b by z plus c by z squared. Now take LCM. LCM will be z square into z minus 1. Now take the first term containing a. So when you divide it by divide z minus 1, z square into z minus 1 with z minus 1, the remaining thing will be z square. So you put here a z square plus. Now here z, divide by z. So z square minus z. One z, just remove it and then open the bracket. So z into z square minus 1. So z square minus 1 into b. So you can easily write it bz square minus bz, because it is z square minus z, and then plus c by z square. Z square here when is cz minus c. Cz minus c. So now next step will be, how much it will be? Just z square. Put together z square. We will get a plus b. Then z, if you will write the plus z b minus c, and then in last minus c. But here we see the coefficient on the numerator side is only 1. For z square and z it is 0. So minus c will be equal to 1. That is C is equal to minus 1. Now come to Z. Because the coefficient of this is 0, so B is equal to C. And because C is minus 1, so B will also become minus 1. Now coming to A plus B is equal to 0, meaning A is equal to minus B, that is 1. Now put these values in the partial instead of partial fraction. We have A by Z minus 1. So our integral will become, just put the sign, then A by Z minus 1. A is already 1, so 1 by Z minus 1 plus. Now coming to B by Z. B is minus 1. So minus 1 by Z. And our third term will be C is again minus 1. The minus 1 by Z square. Now put it into bracket and write it here dz. I'm just showing you. We have dz by 1 minus z square. Okay. Z minus 1. Thick. So now integrate it. So when you integrate 1 by z minus 1, this become natural log of z minus 1. And this will be absolute value. And then minus 1 by z. So this will become minus 1 by z. When you integrate, it becomes ln z. Then again minus, and 1 by z when you integrate it. So z on take the z on numerator side. So it will become z minus 2. So when you integrate, this minus will become plus, a plus 1 by z. And that's all, and then plus c. Now just put the value of z. So it will become natural log of natural log of z minus 1. Z we have assumed 1 plus xex. 1 plus xex. So let's say 1 plus xex minus 1, this one, minus ln z. So 1 plus xex, and then finally plus 1 by z. So plus 1 by 1 plus xex plus c. We can simplify it here. 1 will cancel out, and then finally ln a minus ln b. It becomes ln a by b. So this will become natural log of xex by 1 plus xex in modulus sign, and then plus 1 by 1 plus xex plus c. And this is our final answer. Tomorrow again I will come with some good problems, and till then, thank you very much.